Alright, so the last part of this section, we're going to take a look at another word problem. So I'm driving by a farmyard full of chickens and pigs. I quickly glance and see 100 heads and 270 legs. So how many chickens and pigs were there? So remembering the steps from the substitution video, we need to assign our variables. You have to let me know what your x and your y represent. So I'm going to say my x represents chickens, and my y represents pigs. Alright, so going through and gathering the important information, I'm thinking 100 heads is important, and so is 270 legs. And I'm going to turn those two numbers into equations. So if I'm seeing 100 heads, that means there are a total of 100 chickens and pigs. So x plus y equals 100. Now the legs obviously is different. Chickens have 2 legs, pigs have 4. So if I take the number of chickens times 2 plus the number of pigs times 4, that should give me the total number of legs that I noticed in this farmyard. Now this one isn't too bad to solve by substitution because I have x plus y in my first equation, but since we're in our our elimination section, let's go ahead and use that method. And for the third time, I'm going to use my x variable to eliminate because it's got a smaller coefficient. So I'm going to multiply my first equation by -2. I do not need to multiply my second equation because I will get them to eliminate anyway. Alright, so adding them together, my x's cancel. I get 2y equals 70. Dividing by 2, there were 35 pigs. So to figure out how many chickens there were, I'm going to take 100 and subtract 35 chickens, and that will leave me with 65. Subtracting the 35 pigs, that leaves me with 65 chickens. And I did that in my order. Alright. And the U-try problem.